In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request money from a single contact, send a clean payment link, and track the status without leaving their profile. Start on the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel in a browser, I've placed the official website link at the top of the description so you can get there quickly and safely. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Contacts. This is your hub for people and companies you interact with. Use the search bar to find the person you want to charge and click to open their profile. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the right contact by checking their basic details. Inside the contact profile, head to the Payments or Invoices tab. Depending on your account setup, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the place where billing and invoices are managed for this specific contact. Next, choose the option to create a charge request. You'll see a button labeled Create Payment or Send Invoice. Click it to begin building what the contact will receive. Now add the payment details. Enter the product or service name, the price, and the quantity. Keep the description clear so your contact understands exactly what they're paying for. If your account supports it, you can also add notes, taxes, or a due date to reduce back and forth later. Choose your payment method by selecting the connected provider, such as Stripe. Make sure your provider is linked and ready to accept live payments. If your account is still in test mode or not connected, you'll want to resolve that before sending any requests. When everything looks good, send it off. Click Send Invoice or Request Payment. GoHighLevel will generate a secure payment link and deliver it to the contact through the configured channel, typically email. You can preview the message if your setup allows. Confirm that it was sent successfully. Look for a confirmation banner or check the activity timeline inside the contact's profile to verify the request went out. From there, keep an eye on the status in the same Payments or Invoices tab. You'll be able to see if the invoice is sent, viewed or paid, and follow up if it's still pending. Once the contact completes their payment, the status will update automatically. Funds will be captured by your payment provider, and if receipts are enabled, they'll be sent without you lifting a finger. That's it. You can now confidently collect payments directly from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.